I'm getting away from them, bro. Yeah?
Tower!
Yeah? Wait, what time is it?
10 p.m.
Oh,
The tractor does nothing.
It tracks monsters.
wow, that's crazy. Oh no. Yeah, guys, we're cooked. We're actually cooked. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're not good. We're deep not good. We're deep not good.
I'm scared!
Too bad.
Where is everyone?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Stop, stop.
The cutoff! Crap! Okay. I think the monster's going after. Stop closing the door on me! Wow. Yeah, yeah, bro. Bro.
Is Bro getting hurt?
Ow, ow, ouch. Yo, this is a fire beat.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, never mind. It's not a fire beat. This is not a fire beat. This is not a fire beat. Where's it coming from? Where's it coming from? Oh, never mind.
Oh.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
No, you're not.
I'm literally dying from starvation right now. Do you have food?
Oh! Oh god.
I'm good.
Okay.
Lance, do you
Hold
have
on. How do I
food?
drop this again?
Do you have food?
No, I
How do
died!
Oh, I didn't mean to eat that. Take my bed down. Wait. And only she can make it right.
Freakaboo!
Bound my delicate dread, saving
Are you sure this is the right spot?
No.
Yeah, that's
It
what.
only like matters if the spire's actually in the map though.
Shush! Don't jinx it! Don't. Haha, jeez.
Hey, you
Don't
literally
jinx
jinxed
it!
it. Hey guys, I think it's near. Water. Bro, stop slamming the door.
What the hell was that elderly man sneeze?
Oh, it's raining. I think.
The-
Okay, that's great. Great. Ugh. I can't say anything. Nope. What? Huh? It's so dark and
Hi.
oh, hey.
the monster's over there. Well, what were you doing earlier?
I don't know what you're talking about. That. Oh, you can't shut the door on me! Where is it? It's not it. Spider! I saw the spider! I see the spider! And that's not it.
4 p.m. 4!
4? 4! Oh, 4! Yeah, it's 4 p.m. I knew that. The rot? More like the bot, because it's an NPC. Oh. Dude, I had to put down mines! Oh my gosh!
What?
So basically my voice chat got suspended for saying I need to place down mines. So a lot of the footage got deleted. But here's just winning.
No! Come back. Hey guys, welcome back to my welcome back to
What?
2008 gameplay channel.
Are you seriously recording?
No, I would never record.
Part of your world.
Oh, I tried to so fun, but you're not even here.
I'm actually gonna do that in real life, but like I'm gonna go higher.
Oh,
Jinx, what are you gonna do with that footage? I'm out of here, bro. No.
with that
Goodbye,
what?
cool world.
What?
What are you gonna do with that recording of our Lost Rooms gameplay?
Don't worry about it. No, post like funny moments.
Funny, guys, shut up, bro. Funny moments.
Funny moments.
Sorry.
Top 10 funny moments. Guys. I'm so glad I didn't finish that sentence.
My lance.
Yeah, your lance turn. That's a real knee slapper.
No, I want my lantern back.
Bro! What if I spawn a million employees? I'm gonna spawn some randomly around the map.
No, my lantern. I'm going back for it. I need my
You know what? Yeah. Okay.
Can you move it?
Hey, buddy, not so fast. Homie is mine. No
Bro,
way.
shut up. Guys, let's go on an airplane trip.
Okay, wait, actually, no, I'm good. You have fun with that.
Please, pretty please, with the cherries on top. Could
I'm
someone
good.
come with me?
Yeah, Cogni, go with Lance. Go, yeah.
Right here. Hold on.
Yeah, go.
Wow!
I just realized I had Cogni muted the entire time. That's why I couldn't hear her.
Whoa!
Stop to me.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, me
Guys.
too.
Hold on.
This is so me, Core.
What? Why didn't that cause me damage?
Give me a second.
Come on, wait, guys. I need
Give me a
to fly
second.
out. I'm not leaving, by the way. I'm just flying out of
I don't know who
Thank
did that.
you
That's
very
so
much.
weird. That's so weird. Your health went back to 100. That's so strange.
No! Hold on, I'm gonna crash right
Oh,
into the pillar.
this is
Why are you trying
not-
to recreate are you trying to recreate that one scene?
Oh, that one event? No.
Bro, I'm out.
I lost 50 health. Jinx's fault.
Bro.
Sand.
I think I'm
Sad.
Sand. That's it. I'm crashing into the pillar. And
No.
dying.
Sand girl.
That's crazy. I think I said
Jesus,
that
this
wrong.
is not that hard.
Please, I can't do
Okay.
it.
Shut
Do
up!
not get on. Do not get on. Unless you want to get on and crouch. Get on and crouch.
Don't get on. Don't get on.
That was an
Why'd you
accident,
listen?
Erm.
Oh my gosh!
Wow. This is quite, you could have just, oh, here you go.
Yeah.
Well. Okay.
What did you guys think of that?
That was really
It was
good.
awesome.
I got that on
It was
recording as
awesome.
well.
Yeah, if you didn't like it, then B and I do not interact with me. Who is listening to that, bro?
Hi.
I'm on YouTube Shorts, guys.
Bro, get off your
I can
YouTube
tell.
shorts.
I'm trying to find
Skimpy
a funny
toilet
one.
ended my 5-year-long relationship.
It's right there. The Among Us potion is right there, guys. Bro, turn
was-
this off.
I was gonna play Jackie's box, but like, yeah.
I thought you were struggling to
Here,
climb that ladder.
oh.
What the, bro?
You moved
My
our
bad.
ceiling.
So we
My
might be
bad.
supposed
You okay?
Did you get your knee surgery?
Jesus.
Are you okay?
No, can you say something? Can you say something? Please, Al, can you please say something?
Does not want to say anything.
No. Bro! David, where is my ball? Fine, he gives finger. I'm muting everyone.
Maybe an alien update.
Hello?
Are you guys okay? Let's just continue our base.
Yeah, let's
Oh my gosh.
yes.
I might need
I have to clear my
Yeah,
throat.
no. Yeah, no. I'm going. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out of here. No.
20 seconds.
What a loser.
Help me!
We're gonna get stuck.
What a loser.
That's crazy.
What an L.
You're a lot of loser.
You good?
You good? Oh god!
Get a lot of loser. I'm crying.
There's an employee literally right over there.
Why is bro gliding around
Look
like
at
that?
No, look at that. There's an employee right over there.
You can't get me because I'm gliding around. You can't get me. I'm gliding around. I'm
Lance
gliding.
said I had an accent. I don't know what accent I have.
Help! I actually can't stop. I actually can't stop. I actually can't stop. I actually can't stop. Help! Give me a second, guys. Hold on. I'll save the day. I swear.
I'll save the town.
Oh,
I did not save the town! I did not save the town, bro! I did not save that town!
I'll save the town.
No! Dude, you're
Excuse me.
Don't worry, guys.
The store
I'll
is
save
now
the town.
closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me. The store is
What
now
is
closed.
it? Perhaps.
Let me hit you. Let me try again. Ow. Okay.
Excuse me. The store is now closed.
Alright, I've had enough of you.
Exit the building.
I want to explode.
The store is
Hey guys.
Sorry. Why is your head in the floor? I heard.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna
nuclear
go get an
warfare.
airplane. Hold on, I wanna hit the pillars.
Oh my god, no, I'm
Wait, guys, I'm gonna recreate a special event.
Yay!
That is wild.
What do you mean, yeah?
I made like something funny and like why are you holding me at gunpoint? I made like a place where you could like go up in the air.
Hey, don't worry. I'll help you. I'll help you.
Help me.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Oh.
But like I still can't move. I still can't move.
I'll help
I
you.
still can't move.
Hold
Help
on, give me
me.
a second. Give me a second. Wait, on Agrio.
Well,
Why did Lance
Oh,
just
what's
die?
going on?
Give me a second. Should I do that? I don't know. Should I?
Help me!
I don't have any tools to help you. Give me a second.
Being held hostage.
I mean, the only thing I could do is explode you, but I don't know if you want me to.
No. Anything but that. Maybe give me permanent.
Like, I could just, like. That's not bad.
Yeah, you can walk there. I can't move. I can't move.
It's fine. Oh.
I can't move!
Okay, let's just, no. Can you move now?
I'm stuck like a statue. I'm like a statue.
I literally exploded you.
I'm very still.
I might have to do something
Oh.
that you might
Still
not
water
like. You're emoting.
I'm emoting to save my life.
Just like regenerate
Why
the
am I-
map.
Yeah.
I swear to
maybe
God,
that
if you do.
Okay. I'll do that.
Where'd you go?
Alright, let's just.
Guys, salt is in the floor.
Uh-oh.
Someone help you, my blue. Someone help me.
Yeah.
Can I get the balloon treatment? Can someone give me a bunch of what the hell? Can someone give me a bunch of balloons on me? What the?
What?
Hey guys. What if I just give me a second. I'm trying to yeah, I think that's a good idea. Uh-oh. Where'd the kings go? Hold on, guys. Give me a second.
Oh my god, I'm gone.
Oh. Oh, here we go. We found one.
Run away.
You think I spawned too many in?
How many did you spawn?
Well, I clicked the spawn button 10 times, so I just. I don't see any.
Get
We're
away
good.
from
We're good. We're good.
Get away from me. Get away from
no,
me.
no, we're good.
Get away from me.
Uh-oh, that's not a good sign.
Go. Run away. Just run.
I don't know
How
where
much
it
time do
is.
we have left? How much time do we have left?
12 seconds left. I'm just gonna like choose. Should I just like choose? Should I just choose a random item? Like, just close my eyes and then just like pick something and then spawn it in.
It better be useful. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna. Okay, who's going first? Who wants to go first for the first item?
I volunteer.
Okay. Like, close my eyes. Alright.
Food. You're not doing food, bro.
Okay. Okay.
I will take it.
Can we do.
I hate hot dogs.
I don't have like an option to like choose what I want. Like. So it's just. Okay.
Do it. Close your eyes and pick it.
Okay. Like, I can't choose if it's like a. Oh.
I want this. Okay. Thanks.
Okay, okay.
Thanks.
Alright. Who's next?
I'll take it first.
I
Okay.
already know how I can make a base.
Alright.
Kill me.
Alright.
Oh, and tomorrow we get another.
There you go. Okay, that's your
Guys,
item.
Wait, we can work together, right?
Yeah, that's fine, yeah. I
Guys,
spawned
I
it a
have an
little.
idea. We can make a
Yeah,
sky
that's
base.
your-
Guys,
that's
we can
your
make a
item.
Sky base and get out of here.
Alright. Let's see. Let's see what your item is.
Oh
Come on, come on, come on.
god.
Hey!
Lucky!
Oh,
You're
right.
so lucky!
Alright.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna tune up for myself.
I
Hold
got
on.
best tree.
Sure.
Honey,
Okay.
I'm gonna take the couch.
Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna let you three, because I'm like.
No, come back, come back! We can survive.
This gives me memories of climbing the pillar that had the house on it and get in the chocolate.
You have?
Yeah. I would
we-
spend
we
like
can
hours.
only- we can
I've
only
done it
grab
so
your
many
own
times.
items.
I would spend hours in this game just. Alright, oh, I forgot to spawn him in. Hold up. Give me a second. Oh no. That's just too
Get up
bad.
here. Hurry up. Uh-oh, pardon me.
Anyways, guys.
Have
fun. I have infinite, so it doesn't matter to me. Why jump fall? It's just to survive. What's up, bro?
Don't you dare grief this, bro.
I'm not gonna grief it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, God, he died. Alright, I'm gonna go to someone
Go
else.
You're gonna go to someone else?
Yeah, I'm going to someone else. Have fun.
Alright.
Oh, there's Cogni. Hey there. Oh. What if I just... I don't know. That kind of mean. Should I just spawn in right here? Come on. Hey, I think someone's coming for you. Hey, what's up?
Basically, we just did the survival night of challenges. Love for a little while. I agree. more time, so slowly just gonna cut to the building challenge.
So, okay, the prompt today, you ready? The prompt is to build SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
Wait, should we do this in a plane plot?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're not doing it at the torture labyrinth. Right.
Can we begin?
Huh?
Hey pal, can we begin soon?
Yeah, you can begin now. Go ahead, go.
Sorry for cutting it again, but Cogney had to go, so I'll just show my reaction to her first and then the others. So along with their reaction to Cognes.
SpongeBob?
I don't
Yeah,
know,
he's
it
pretty-
has no eyes.
Yeah, that's okay. He's pretty good. What?
I'm sorry. It's so difficult to get
What's
inside of
going
me.
on back there? I can literally sit on top of it, bro.
I'm sorry.
No, you get extra points for that. That's crazy.
I wonder how the others will think of it.
Jinx.
Yeah. Yeah.
I finished. But can we look at Cognies first?
Yeah, I'll look at comics first. Okay, let me stop the time. Okay. Bro. Hey, come on. Come on, we're going over here to Cognies.
Oh my god, fine.
Okay. I have to be quiet. So, this is Cognies.
I'm not gonna win this, Ash.
She
I'm
didn't
gonna
win
win. I
British.
don't know what you're talking about.
But
on, wait.
she got super far and
Yeah!
okay.
Hold on, one fell off. How did this get over? Hold on, this fell off. What do you think about it? His bananas arm.
Why is SpongeBob been smoking something?
So weak.
His arms.
Yeah, after you told me that the round was over, I looked at the shoes like, no, it's not worth it. So I just looked at the rest.
Yeah, why
I
are
was
the
planning on
shoes
making him a popsicle.
why are the shoes the only thing?
Shut up! That's the only thing I worked hard on. Okay, let's go. Let's go to
Okay,
Al's.
let's go.
Coffee Cat is gonna be SpongeBob popsicle.
Why?
Wait,
Okay.
where did you disable? Hold on. Wait, I'm gonna make a heart. I'm gonna make a heart out of balloons. Now I'm gonna write my name in balloons.
Why is he radiating?
Oh. Why is it radioactive?
Skincare, that sounds about right. Well, Sponge. Oh, yay.
Thank you so much. This makes me so happy. This makes me so happy.
We're tying up the beef.
Oh no! Why do I have negative death?
Negative. What are you doing?
In January.
Anyways, yeah, so I think I have to do this, yeah. There I go. An enclosure
I'm like a
rat.
little animal. I feel like a little animal. I feel like a fish in an enclosure.
Yeah. Here we have the enclosure lance.
Bro. My God. The floor.
Bro, what did you do?
Oh,
I didn't know you could do that. I despawned all the. Please just go. Please just go. Yeah, we're safe in here. Why'd you walk earlier? You... I can't bring the lance back. I genuinely can't. Oh. No, maybe because...
Help me! Dude, screenshot me! Take a screenshot of me. I have no idea what I look like.
You just look dead. Yeah, but... I literally had infinite health and he still managed to kill me. What?
I killed you? How?
I don't know.
Question.
Ah, you're good, you're good.
I was about to...
I guess I'll catch you on the flip side. Skadoosh!